Simply Food by TY.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Simply Food by TY. So look, today I got me some Domino's, y'all. I have so much stuff to do. I am running so behind, so this probably is not going to be a long video. But let me show you guys what I got. I've never had this pasta before, so hopefully it's good. This was oh, that looked good. Ooh, this was the sausage carbonara. So there's that one. Don't worry, I'll get everything situated so you guys can still see everything. So let me set that one right there. That's that. And then I got a pepperoni and sausage pizza because, you know, that's what we do. And then I got me some barbecue wings, which look real basic. They don't look special at all. So let me get all of this arranged, and then when we come back, we're going to say our grace, and we're going to jump into this video. Okay, y'all, so we back. So like I said, I'm running really behind, so I'm just going to jump right into this video. Let me say my grace really quick. Lord, thank you once again for waking me up yet another day. Lord, I've received some amazing news today that is going to be such a blessing, and I would like to thank you for that in advance. I would also like to thank you for all of the people who have continued to support my channel and those that will continue to support my channel. I ask that you just bless their lives, Jesus. Amen. Let's try this pasta because this pasta looks bomb. Although I bet you this pasta is not fully cooked because it don't look like it is. Can y'all see that? It's hot though. It's actually not bad. The pasta's actually pretty good. I've never had this before. How's everybody doing today? Are y'all babies doing okay? I'm so hungry. I have so much crap to do, so I'm like trying to like rush and eat. Look at how these fools put the barbecue sauce in the container. Who does that? Idiots. Let's just make a damn mess. Get that out of the way. This is blue cheese, y'all. These wings are actually cold. They're actually cold. And my pizza's cold. I was expecting that because you know how like Domino's will tell you like how close they are? Or like when the order leaves the store? Well, this Domino's is literally about 3 minutes away from my house. It took him 20 minutes to get here. I should have known. That's why I don't eat Domino's, but I needed something quick. Did everyone have a fantastic Valentine's Day? Did you guys like my Valentine's Day video? I thought it was cute. pasta is. So, the pasta isn't bad. The sauce is a bit tart for my taste. It definitely needs a little bit of sugar, a little bit of salt and pepper. That's for sure. But it's not terrible. The one thing that I do wish that like pizza places like this would offer is for you to give the option for your wings to be cooked hard. Because these wings be having so much like skin on them, but it'd be like soggy. And you know, don't nobody like that. And I got somewhere to be. I'm gonna get a damn mess. Damn it. It's okay. I just washed this damn thing too. Leave down in the comment section what was your favorite part of your Valentine's Day. Whether it was something someone gave you, something you gave to someone else, and their reaction. Definitely leave it down in the comment section. I would love to read it. You guys. So, the day after you see this video, I'm going to be starting an exotic fruits series. I've purchased like a bunch of like really like fancy fruits, or like fruits that at least I've never tried. And I'm going to be trying them out on here for the first time. So I'm really excited about that. Hopefully I don't find that I'm allergic to any of them. Y'all, I've barely eaten today. I made some. By the time you see this video, I will have already had it on Instagram, so y'all would have seen it. But did y'all see my Jamaican curry? Make sure you follow me on Instagram. You'll see all of my cooking videos on there all the time. Because y'all know I'm in trial runs for my cookbook. Which I hope all you guys will support and get. I'm gonna have to reheat that pizza. I can't eat that cold. I can't do it. I like the cheese and the sausage part, but I can't lie to y'all. If you're not a big raw tomato fan, you probably won't like this pasta. Because this is definitely like raw tomatoes. Guys, I was so MIA last week. I had so much stuff going on. Oh my gosh. But that's okay. Because I'm back. I'm back. I'm gonna have to reheat this. I can't eat no cold pizza. I can't do it. At least not Domino's, I can't. Now, Litos, I could eat cold, frozen. Not Domino's. It's funny, I used to really like, if I'm not getting my favorite place, which y'all know is Litos, I used to always get Papa John's. But since they want to be a bunch of racists, you won't be seeing them on my channel. So they don't get my money. So to hell with them. This is actually the perfect amount of food, these wings and the pasta. I hope all y'all got that good last night. Hey. Who learned the baby that back broke? You gonna be okay? You'll be alright. Well, you guys, I'm so sorry to rush off, but I have a lot of errands to run today. But I wanted to make sure that I came on and touched base with you guys and said how much I missed you all and how much I'm really looking forward to doing this exotic fruits thing, because I really want to expand my mind and my palate to different foods from the world and different fruits from around the world. So be on the lookout for that. Once again, make sure that you guys are following me on all of my social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. They're all at SimplyFoodByTy. If you want to see a lot more of like my cooking videos and more like personal things of me like singing and that'll be more so on Instagram for sure. If you need to direct message me, I would say more so do it on Instagram, because for some reason a lot of my messages kind of get lost on Facebook. So I would say message me on Instagram. But as always, y'all know I love y'all so much for supporting me and being the dopest people on the planet. If you are new to my channel, I hope you guys have liked what you've seen thus far. Go on ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified. That way you don't miss when I post any new content. To all of my returning subscribers, y'all know I love y'all. And as always, y'all babies stay cute and take care. Bye.
Simply Food by TY.